Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of question from the topic of polynomial and rational functions. Let's solve it together. A polynomial function p of x is given by p of x equals x minus 4 times x plus 2 times x plus 3. What are all intervals on which p of x is greater than or equal to 0? To solve this type of questions, first you will need to find the roots of the polynomial. And to find the roots, these are the factors of the roots given. So you will need to make factors equals 0. So x minus 4 equals 0. Then x will be equals 4. If x plus 2 equals 0, x will be equals negative 2. If x plus 3 is equal to 0, the value of x is negative 3. So we just found 3 roots. In order, if I will put them over here, negative 3 comes first, negative 2, and a positive 4. I'm going to use some test points to check these regions. In this region, I will use negative 4. Between negative 3 and negative 2, we can use negative 2.5. 2.5. Yeah. Then between negative 2 and 4, we can use just 0. And we can use 5. These are our test points. And what we're looking for something greater than or equal to 0, which is positive, or 0. So p of negative 4 will be equals to negative 4 more negative 4. Negative 4 plus 2. And this becomes negative 4 plus 3. This is negative 8 times negative 2 times negative 1. So, as you can see, there are 3 negatives. It turns into negative 16 then. So this region, the sign of the polynomial is negative. So you're not going to use that region. What about Pn negative 2.5? If I will put negative 2.5 for the x, this becomes negative 2.5 plus 2. And this is negative 2.5 plus 3. This is negative 6.5. This is negative 0.5 times 0 positive 0.5. Just look at it. Negative times negative is positive. The result is positive. Do you need to calculate this? No. You can just leave it like that. The sign is positive. And for the point P0, we will just substitute 0 for the x. Therefore, this becomes 0 plus 3. Negative 4 times 2 times 3. There is only one negative in these factors, so it's negative. Do you need to calculate it? You don't, but I'll just put it down for you. The last one is the p of 5. So now we're going to substitute 5 for the x. This becomes 5 minus 4. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 3. This is 1 times 7 times 8. So technically it's positive 56. So we found that these two regions, if I will just call these regions region 1, region 2, region 3, region 4, the second and the fourth region are where this polynomial function is positive. So if I will write the intervals for these, we have -3 and -2. Are we going to include -3 and -2? Yes, because the function is p of x is greater than or equal to 0. If this could have been only greater than 0, then you wouldn't conclude these. So we will conclude them now. Union with starting from 4, and we will include 4 and positive infinity. So technically, if you will look at the choices, they said -infinity and -3 is positive. No, it's negative. It's negative. It's negative. But the choice D is the answer what we're looking for. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.